Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. For this video, I'll be sharing to you our experience going outside after staying at home in 45 days. Yes po, starting the day that we start to work from home, me and my sister didn't go outside. And when I counted it, it's already 45 days. If you want to know what we have experienced outside and what are the changes that we see, continue watching. So hello guys. So if you're thinking why it takes for us 45 days before we decided to go outside, well, we don't know also because during that work from home, we are kind of excited to feel what's in it, what's inside the work from home experience. And when we feel a little bit exhausted, because staying at home really makes you feel exhausted, we decided to go outside and check what are the changes that we can see outside. So today is May 8, 2020, and we started working from home on March 23. So on that day, March 23rd, I go outside because it's my follow-up checkup because for the past 3 days, I'm not feeling well. So I will not include that day in our counting. So let's check our calendar. So it was started on Tuesday. It was March 24th. So from March 24th until March 31st, it's already 8 days. Then the following month, it's April. From April 1st until April 30th, we didn't go outside also for the whole month. So 8 days plus 30 days. And this May, from May 1st to May 7, we didn't go outside also. So that's plus 7 days again. And today, May 8th, 2020, we decided to go outside to buy something in the grocery. So 8 days plus 30 days plus 7 days equals to 45 days. So guys, we didn't plan this 45 days. It just so happened that it is exactly 45 days when we decided to go out. So this is the moment of truth, guys. We will now feel the kiss of the sun. So guys, we're already outside and I feel really different. For a person who stayed in the flat for 45 days, I feel warm. Maybe because summer is now coming here in Dubai. So we will go at the other side of the road. We will use this footbridge. Good thing here in Dubai, even if it's a small footbridge, they have the elevator, so you can choose to use the stairs or use the elevator. And another thing is that it's covered. The footbridge is covered, so even if the weather is hot, using the footbridge is very nice because it has cover. So disclaimer guys, nobody forced us to stay at home for that 45 days. We just choose that because maybe we are lazy going out. So if you're thinking how we're buying food, we normally buy food using online applications. We're ordering online, or we're using the phone. We're calling the grocery to order. And for those things that are not planned to order. My husband's the one going outside to buy grocery for us. So we will go in the grocery only by walk. I think it's about 15 minutes walk, 15 minutes normal walk. As you can see, there are no people outside. There are only very few. Unlike before COVID-19, there are lots of people staying here. So what I noticed, even there are a few people only outside, there are buses that you can ride if you want to go somewhere. And we also noticed that there is an Aster clinic in this area. So what we are going to do, guys, we're going to cross to the other side because the grocery is at that side. At this time, now I can see people. They finished their grocery already. So they are going to cross the pedestrian also. So as you notice, guys, no, if you can see closer, you can see that they are all wearing masks and gloves. And guys, there are no people here because normally after the shopping time, they're staying here just in front of here, chatting and doing their stuff. But now I saw only 2 people outside. So we are now here at the entrance and everything seems normal except that the Baskin and Robbins is not open, of course. And there is a temperature check. This is new also. And if you can see this store, they have this big glass to cover the stuff. So I can see a lot of people now because maybe it's Friday, but these people are not the same volume of people that I can see every Friday when we're going to that grocery. So that's all, guys. We reach our home now. I'm showing you the view from our window. I did not able to film inside the grocery because according to the guard it's not allowed, so we don't have video inside. So after that walk, guys, I feel a little pain at my sole feet, maybe because I didn't used to walk that long in 45 days where I'm going, the longest place that I'll go is only until kitchen for that 45 days, and that's only 10 steps from our room. Then after 2 days, the day where I record this voiceover, I still feel little pain in my leg, but this pain is tolerable, so it's fine, guys. So what I learned is, even if you're inside for a long time, you're in your comfort zone, it really feels different if you go outside and you feel people. You will feel relaxed, you will feel more energetic, and you know the sweat that comes inside your body. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, just click the thumbs up and subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell button so you will be notified every time I will upload new videos.